off, let's talk power. Most personal blenders hover around 250 to 600 watts. These Great Ogo models packs at 1000 watts motor. The blade, it features a 6-plate stainless steel assembly designed to pull ingredients down into the vortex, and the result is that it doesn't just mix, it pulverizes. We're talking about frozen food, heavy ice, and even nuts or homemade butter in seconds. Also coffee grinds, anything you can think of. It comes with two BPA-free Tritan cups, a large 28 ounces for your main smoothies, and a smaller 14 ounces for quick sauces and dressings. The cups are rugged and dishwasher safe. It includes a leak-proof travel lid so you can blend and head straight to the gym or your office without transferring container. The motor base has a sleek matte finish in a unique light purple, even though you can also say that it's a modern blue-gray. Using it is straightforward, with a chrome switch for blend and pulse modes. The pulse feature is great for emulsifying salad dressing or making chunky salsas. Cups and base are very smooth. If you have smaller hands or struggle with grip, you might find twisting the lids on and off a bit of a workout, but nothing terrible. And there is a max fill line, but no detailed volume measurements on the cups. So keep that in mind if you're a strict recipe follower. So overall, this Grade-O-Go Smart Blend Pro punches way above its weight class. It feels like a high-tier professional blender shrunk down for a single-serve lifestyle. If you need a daily driver for protein shakes or frozen cocktails that won't quit on you, this is a solid contender. So this is definitely one that really surprised me at the end because the high quality of the materials and all the possibilities that you have with it is fantastic. And on top of that, you do everything with it. So you don't have to go ahead and take your gigantic blender in order to take care of the recipes that you need or a quick little thing that you need to do. So this is a great solution for that. And honestly, like, it doesn't ask for anything about the other ones, like you can just go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna demonstrate you over here how it works with grinding the coffee in this case, so you can see the power of this blender. I went ahead and I put some of the grinds over here and the smaller cup that they give you, or that is with it, and then you just go ahead and put it with a simple click, and you have the option of pulse or just blend it completely, which is fantastic. And you automatically can feel the power, which is something that I was surprisingly happy. Like, I was very surprised about it. So look at this. It just go like without any effort. I was very amazed that it doesn't feel like, oh, is this about to break? Not at all. This is something that will definitely be ready for that battle. So I'm gonna show you over here how those grinds turn out. As you can see, look at that, they're pulverized. So that was the work that it did over there. And then I'm gonna show you another option that is probably one of the ones everybody will use the most. That is a smoothie. Over here I put some frozen fruits and the powders, the proteins, and everything that you usually put for a smoothie that you need to go on the go, that you need to make on the go. So I just went ahead and put everything there. Again, they click, and one simple button was able to be powerful enough to do this. Look at this. So nice. Honestly, very, very nice. And the fact that you don't have to utilize a big blender is fantastic. You have this cup that fits perfectly and it doesn't leak at all. So you can just go ahead and grab it and take it to work with you and just drink it and enjoy.